The courtroom was packed that morning, reporters whispering, cameras flashing, and a man in worn-out clothes sitting quietly at the defendant's table. His name was General Elijah Brooks, a once decorated U.S. Army leader now facing eviction from his home after falling on hard times. His wife had passed away 2 years earlier, and his military pension barely covered the medical bills and repairs on his small house. Now the bank wanted it, every brick, every memory gone. The opposing attorney sneered, painting Elijah as irresponsible, saying he failed to pay his dues like a responsible citizen. But Elijah sat still, his weathered hands folded, eyes fixed on the floor. When the judge entered, everyone stood. Judge Rebecca Carter, known for her stern nature, adjusted her glasses and began reviewing the file. But when she reached the page with Elijah's full name and service record, she froze. Her eyes widened. "General Elijah Marcus Brooks?" she asked quietly. The courtroom went still. The attorney hesitated. "Yes, Your Honor," Elijah said humbly. "Formerly of the 12th Infantry Division," the judge set down her pen, visibly emotional. You saved my brother," she whispered. "Afghanistan, 2009. He told me about a man who carried him out of gunfire after the convoy was ambushed." "That was you." The entire courtroom fell into stunned silence. The arrogant bank lawyer shifted uncomfortably as the judge's tone changed completely. She took a deep breath and slammed the gavel. "Case dismissed," she declared firmly. "This man doesn't lose his home. Not today. Not ever," gasps echoed through the room. The attorney tried to object, but Judge Carter cut him off sharply. "Find another way to balance your books. This man has already paid more than anyone ever should." Elijah stood slowly, tears in his eyes, as the crowd began to applaud. The judge came down from the bench and shook his hand. "You may have lost a lot, General," she said softly, "but not your honor." That night, Elijah sat on his porch, the same one he'd almost lost, watching the sunset. Neighbors gathered, bringing food, flowers, and thanks. For the first time in years, he smiled. Sometimes life takes everything away, only to remind you that real respect can't be bought, only earned.